Pontiac Olympic Park is the place to be every Tuesday and Thursday at lunch. Pick up your lunch at the Fountainside Cafe and enjoy music at noon, running April through October, featuring local artists in a variety of music styles.